So we've got a moon there. I did this earlier. That's out of acrylic, and then obviously black gesso, white acrylic, and a little bit of grey acrylic to make a moon. So a little bit of liquid clear. Really scrubbing that in. Let's go with some green. I'm going to put a load of green here. Let's go somewhere around here. I'm going to go up to the moon, doesn't matter if we get some on the moon. So we're going to go somewhere like that. It's the blue straight away, phthalo blue. Still with the green brush. I'm going to go over the top. Actually, I'm going to go a little bit to the side first. A little bit of blue. And a little bit of blue. I'm going to go over some of this green with the blue as well. Just mix all that in. So it's like a greeny sort of blue. See what that sort of gives us there. Look at that come to life already. That. Again, I might just sort of leave the middle of that sort of white there, because I think that would look kind of cool in one way. Other paintings that I've done, sort of going a little bit white there. There we go, look at that. There we go. A little bit more colour, pull that across. I'm going to go something like that. Look at that, it's amazing. Okay, so ultraviolet sort of colour here. I'm going to go around here and put that all over here. And over here, violet colour. Bit over here. Right, stick around because we're going to add some white on and hopefully it'll come alive and make some nice little things. Right, I'm going to blend these colours out just a little bit into each other. Grab some whites. So yeah, just some titanium white. So yeah, I'm probably going to have some mountains in this. I want some light coming sort of behind. So we're going to just put some patterns in here. We'll do all these little things going on. I love sort of these sort of. So we're just going to blend these a little bit. I want a little bit around the moon as well. I'm going to blend them out. Look at all them beautiful colours coming through. Beautiful. And here. And into that violet sort of colour there. Just a little bright sort of area down there. Might sort of have to come back to that bit because you know that bit always bugs me. Yeah, moon. A nice little moon and some colours there. Just a little bit of light sky over here. Just dancing around, maybe there's a bit of light there, just something behind there. I want to keep some dark. We'll just blend all this out. Thank you. What time do your live start? 10 PM. 10 PM. Make sure you go to my profile from your profile, and at the top there's a little bell or something, and you press it and set to all, and you won't miss any of my lives or the start of them. And don't forget, go and follow me on YouTube. The link's in my description underneath, well, in my bio. Yeah, you got my website. Obviously, you can support me with my Amazon wish list, and if you do, you get entered into winning one of 3 paintings. Everything you can find at visualfusions.co.uk. So go there and have a little look. And obviously my YouTube channel link and Instagram and all that is in the link underneath my profile picture on TikTok. Right, let's knock these, let's make a dark colour. I want some green in this, so I've got the green and blue and a little bit of the purple, okay? And I'm going to make a dark colour for some mountains in the background. That's a nice colour. I love the greens, the blues. There we go. Right, I'm going to make some mountains. Mountains or hills. I want to keep some of that colour in there, so I want this to be quite sort of distant. That's it, just dragging it out. So here we go, just putting out some of these distant mountains. There. Let's just go into a bit of white that's already got the colours on the board because we touched all the thingies. And we'll just put a lightest bit of colour. I don't want a lot because we'll put a bit there, there, we'll put a bit there as well. Yeah, just making some sort of mountain shapes there. That's sort of all the light sort of going towards the moon. I'm just going to pull this down, this colour, so it's sort of more fainter. There we go, look at that. Some little things here and there. My YouTube channel, you can go directly to my YouTube channel by clicking my profile picture over here. And at the top, there's a little link when you get to my main profile. Click that, or there's a YouTube button. Failing that, it's called Visual Fusions Painting and Art. Yeah, and Visual Fusions 1 on Instagram. Let's just do a little line of trees. There we go. Nothing too mad, just a little. Just have that fading off somewhere, like that, underneath these trees. Just gonna make a little bit of mist in front of these trees, you see, just by tapping and putting that on. I might try blue and yellow and see what green I can make. So, well, let's just see what we got here. I'm going to create some little grassy areas here and there. We can create some little sort of hills and stuff like that. Just making some sort of grassy areas here and there. Little sort of hill that goes over here, just over there. Just a little sort of stream that comes down here. What are you thinking? A waterfall? You can have it coming down here. Oh, a nice little. I don't know if I'm going to keep that size, but it's just like a little waterfall there. We can do some splashes down the bottom. Little highlights there. Yeah. I don't know where this is. I don't know where this is going yet, but just tap him in. Just tap in. He just lives there like that. Just have an old tree that lives there. See, just a little bit in front of the moon. Just put. I'm going to put some little dark areas here and there, and we'll do a little bunch over here. There we go. Look at that. And of course, in front of this moon. I'm going to come back and put some little highlights on them. On these here. Just a little bit here and there. Pull down here. Just pull straight down. Like I say, I don't know exactly where this water's going, but I'm going to do that sort of area. And it could be yours. It'll come with a certificate of authenticity. Right, well, keep your eye on that water. Yeah, look at that. I like to use the fan brush. You can use the palette knife as well. I'll show you what you can do with the palette knife. Just going to go across here. And that just there's another little sort of. Let's just do it.